should and shouldn't in English. You can use should to give advice or to give an opinion. You should do something means it is a good thing to do or the right thing to do. When to use should and should not? We often use should to ask for advice. We also use should to say that we expect something to happen. We use should to give advice, a recommendation, or a suggestion. You can use should when something is not right or what you expect. You can use should after insist, recommend, suggest, demand, propose. We use should not to advise not to do something, usually because it is bad or wrong to do. Negative form. You should not do something means it isn't a good thing to do. Should not becomes shouldn't. How to use should. We often use should with I think, I don't think, do you think? We don't use I think with shouldn't. I think Aisha should buy some new clothes. I think it is a good idea. It's late. I think I should go home now. I don't think you should work so hard. I don't think it is a good idea. I don't think we should go yet, it's too early. Must or should. Must is stronger than should. It's a good film, you should go and see it. It's a fantastic film, you must go and see it. You should apologize. You must apologize. To learn more about must, watch the video below that it is in the description. Let's exercise with some examples. We shouldn't drink wine. We shouldn't eat so much. She shouldn't work so hard. You shouldn't drive so fast. You shouldn't go to bed late. You shouldn't watch TV so much. You shouldn't play games so much. Henry shouldn't go to bed so late. I insisted that he should apologize. I think I should take more exercise. You shouldn't drink a lot of coffee. You look tired, you should go to bed. We should do some exercise every day. I don't think you should work so hard. I think people should drive more carefully. I don't think the police should carry guns. It's a good film. You should go and see it. You should eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. Where's Evelyn? She should be here by now. I think everybody should have enough food. I think everybody should learn English language. You should watch the Ertugrul series, it's great. You don't need your car, I think you should sell it. I'm feeling sick. I shouldn't have worked so much. It's late and you're very tired, you should go to bed. When you're driving, you should wear a seat belt. You shouldn't work for a long time without a break. Oliver doesn't study enough, he should study harder. When you play tennis, you should always watch the ball. That man on the motorbike should be wearing a helmet. Isabella needs a rest, I think she should have a holiday. Lucas isn't well today, I think he should go to the doctor. the government should do more to improve education. David needs a change. He should go away for a few days. You shouldn't worry about your exams. You will be all right. You shouldn't listen to Jacob. He doesn't know everything. You shouldn't believe everything you read in the Facebook. You watch TV all the time. You shouldn't watch TV so much. The price on this jacket is wrong. It should be £25, not £2.50. That coat is too big for you. I don't think you should buy it. Doctors recommend that everyone should eat plenty of fruit. I think the government should do more to improve education. You're not well this morning. I don't think you should go to work. The hotel is too expensive for us. I don't think we should stay there. Mark always finds it hard to get up. He shouldn't go to bed so late. Emma has been studying hard for the exam, so she should pass. It's too far to walk from here to the station. We should take a taxi. We have to get up early tomorrow. I think we should go home now. Sarah and Liam are too young. I don't think they should get married. You went to bed very late last night. You should have gone to bed earlier. Question form.
Do you think I should learn to drive?
Yes, you should.
Do you think I should get another job?
No, you should not.
Do you think I should invite Larry to the party?
Yes, you should.
Should I be there before 5?
Yes, you should.
I'm going out now. Is it cold out?
Yes, you should wear a coat.
Shall I leave now?
No, you should wait a bit.
Should I buy a present?
No, it's not important.
Do you think I should buy this jacket?
I think you should buy it.
Should we invite Alexander to the party?
Yes, I think we should.
Do you think I should apply for this job?
Yes, I think you should.
The link of all sentences in this video is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.